I'm Henry.
And I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. And this is BOSH Rest.
Let's go.
Really enjoying it. Got to meet the lads earlier as well. That was a bonus. Very excited about this time.
I'm here to kind of like meet up with people I already know, meet new people, eat great food. I wanted to get the cookbook.
But yeah, just enjoying the vegan vibe.
Know what? We're just playing around, trying to make something that tastes good, smells good.
And my sister, who's somewhere out there, she doesn't like mushrooms, but she loved this because it just completely changes what a mushroom can be. It's amazing. Cashew nuts, lemon juice, parsley, chives, salt, pepper, all those flavors.
And that's all in your book?
Everything on here is in the book.
Amazing.
We saw this mushroom pie. This one, it looks amazing.
It's not the big supermarkets, it's not the big food companies who have led this revolution.
A lot of people would look at vegan and think, oh, it's just a trend, it's a fad, it's going to pass, but it's not. And it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger as this kind of event proves.
So yeah, I'm going to work my way through the cookbook and try and live a healthy lifestyle.
That was BOSH Rest. Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
BOSH!